your girl Brian's Ray, back again with another video. And as of right now, I'm about to do another tutorial. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because that takes up majority of the time. So I'm gonna do those off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get straight to it. Alright, so I finished my eyebrows. So now I'm just about to get into the rest of this video. So right now I'm just taking my white eyeshadow primer and I'm just going to rub that out on my eye, so when I put the eyeshadow on it doesn't go everywhere. So now I'm just applying my nude eyeshadow onto the upper part of my eye. So now I'm just patting on and blending in this light shade of blue onto my eyelid into that nude shade. So now I'm just taking my white eyeshadow base by NYX and I'm going to use that to cut my crease on that blue shade. So right now I'm just patting out that white base so it can really blend out and be smoother, and I'm just trying to make that line very fine. So now I'm just taking a dark blue shade and I'm just putting it on the edge of my eye so it can really give it that ombre effect. So now I'm just taking a cream colored eyeshadow and just blending it out towards the blue on the inner part of my crease so that it isn't as wet. So I'm just trying to decide which glitter to put on my crease, and within deciding, I'm going to be putting on my glitter primer base onto my eyelid. So on the outer line of my crease, I'm applying this dark blue glitter to match that dark blue eyeshadow that is on the outer corner of my eye. So now on top of that cream colored eyeshadow, I'm just taking this lighter shade of blue glitter and I'm just pressing that onto my lid. So now I'm just taking my Hydra Touch Oil Primer and I'm going to apply it onto my cheeks and my forehead. So now I'm just using my beauty blender, and I had applied the foundation onto my beauty blender already, and I'm just blending in my foundation onto my face. So right now I'm taking my concealer and I'm just putting it underneath my eye just to conceal the under eye. So now I'm just going to conceal my chin, my nose, as well as my forehead. So now I'm taking my contour and I'm just contouring my cheekbones. So now I'm contouring my forehead and then I'll be moving on to my nose. So I started to blend out the concealer with my concealer brush, and I'm basically just patting it out to blend it out, but it wasn't really doing exactly what I needed to do, so later on you'll see me move on to using my beauty blender. So now I'm just using my beauty blender to really blend out my contour. So now I'm just using my J Cat Beauty Luxe Pro Banana Powder, and I am just putting that on my under eye, my nose, my cheekbones, and my forehead. So like I said in the video before, if you've watched it, I like to do my lashes last. So I'm just applying my mascara on my top and bottom lashes. So now just taking the time to bake and putting my lashes on, I am just blending out that setting powder onto my skin so it won't be so powdery. Now I'm just taking my Milani blush mixed with highlighter, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks as well as my nose and forehead and chin. So now I'm just applying my lip liner, and it is a light brown shade, and I'm just applying it to my lower and upper lip. And then I'll be taking this darker shade of like a brick red, and I'm just going to be applying it over top of this light brown shade. So after applying the lip liner on the outer line, I'm using this baby pink shade lip liner, and I am going to be putting it on the inner part of my lip. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it, and I am calling this look Ocean Eyes. Alright you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this look and this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see you later.